Hey, good morning. This is Madhusudan. Let us see how we can use Oracle Cloud Data Visual Analyzer to analyze some of my blog data. Basically, what I'm interested in is if at all I'm going to have a developer event, which city would be the best one where I could get maximum audience. Having said that, let us see what happens in the background. Every time a person visits my blog, what I do is I take their IP address. From their IP address, I could get information like the city, state, country that they are coming from, and also mark the timestamp that they are visiting. So let us see what data that I'm capturing. The timestamp, IP address, based on IP address, city, state, country, and also which section of the blog that they might be interested in. Or if I got different websites, which particular website that they are interested in. And also a last function, it is an Excel function that where I use to convert a timestamp into date. So what I've done is this data, which was in my MySQL database, I have exported into an Excel format. And this is what the Excel that you're seeing that I will be using data visualization tool to analyze this. If you look at the number of records, it's around 13,600, quite a large number of data, uh, large number of records rather. And I could write SQL queries and all, but then when there is a tool which can give me out-of-box reporting capabilities, then why would I do that? So let us see how we can use this one. I've just saved it as a .xlxx. Excel SX. Remember this format. This is what we import. If you have an access to Oracle BI Cloud Service, you will get data visualizer along with it. If not, you can request for a trial account and you will get a temporary username and temporary password along with the username being your email ID that you can go and use it to log in. This is the data visual analyzer tool, which is on Oracle BI Cloud Service. Uh, I click on Add Data Source. If at all I have an RDBMS like Oracle Oracle Database Cloud Service, I could use that to actually connect to the database table and do an analysis on top of it. Or if I want to upload an Excel, I can still go ahead and do that. Let me upload the Excel file that we just created. And add this to project. Just to summarize from beginning to here, right? What I did was I have a blog. From the blog, I got a meaningful data, like for example, timestamp, IP address, city, state, and all this thing. This was sitting in my MySQL database. And from there, I exported to an Excel. And Excel I'm uploading to VA2. That's what basically I've done it. So let us see how the analysis works here. I drag and drop the VID on the tool. This doesn't give too much of meaningful information. I will drag and drop country here. Let us see what happens. What it shows to me is maximum number of people have come from India, followed by United States and China. These three are my top blog users. The agenda behind the whole exercise was like I wanted to find out if at all I'm going to have a developer event, which would be the best city. So I want to use the tool here. I select India because maximum number of people have visited my blog from here. I do keep selected. So that means India becomes the point of focus. As you can see here, let me go and add state. What it shows is the maximum number of people have come from Karnataka, followed by Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra. The one that you're seeing here blank is the one that I could not get the country or state information through the IP address for various whatever be the reason. So let us ignore this one. So what is useful for me is to find out that maximum people came from Karnataka. I will select that. Or I could use a filter here. State. The Karnataka, there might be some mismatch in the records that I have because I see multiple entries. So let us go ahead and pick Maharashtra here. So now the area of focus becomes Maharashtra. And then I drag and drop city. What it shows is maximum number of people in Maharashtra come from Mumbai who visited my blog, closely followed by Pune. If I'm still interested in going back to Karnataka, then I could make a change here. As you can see, Bangalore tops the list of people who have visited from Karnataka. Since I selected uh, the topmost country in terms of hits and then topmost state in terms of it, and then I drill down to city, my observation is Bangalore has got most number of people who visited my blog. So that means to say, if I plan to have a developer event, Bangalore would be the right place to do it. I could make some more changes the way I see the reports. I could use maybe map view. Basically, what it represents is you can see a slight color here that shows that this is the region where maximum people are coming. If I Let us see what happens if I remove this filter. Across India, you have this is the number of people coming from different states. You can see here. You could also use the size of a bubble. In case if the coloring is not that much clear, you can use the size of bubble. The bigger the size, more people are visited. Since the area of focus was India, you see just the states covering India. If I remove this filter, this would show across the world where people are coming and visiting my blog. So doesn't it make an intelligent and interesting analysis? Thanks for watching the video.